Look around you, different things born out of truth and passion. Business software, it's our craft, our identity. Thoughtfully engineered, passionately designed to help you transform your business. Zoho, made in India, made for the world.
That conversation, and this is on the back of the analyst meet that they've had. The automaker plans to list its PV and CV units by October is what they've indicated. October, November is the broad timeline, and here's a quick take on all of the takeaways from that analyst meet. Srishti joins us with those details.
Well, yes, Tata Motors has come out with its analyst meet, and here are some of the key takeaways. Firstly, when it comes to their JLR division, we all know that the production has come to an halt for almost a month now on the back of that cyber attack, wherein now Tata Motors is saying that the production is coming back on track, but in a phased manner. But along with that, in terms of the outlook, they do mention that it remains to be a bit of a challenge, and especially for some of the key markets, be it Europe, China, as well as the US market. So that is something a bit of a worry right now. But along with that, when it comes to their India PV and CV business, the management is quite optimistic for the second half of this fiscal year to pan out positively, and they are saying that the GST rollouts will definitely benefit the volumes. For the PV segment, the H2 of FY26 could trigger in a volume growth of 6 to 8%, while the India CV pickup segment is expected to show a growth in the high single digit. Along with that, it's the Iveco deal that was expected to benefit Tata Motors in the times ahead, and the management is saying that it will be EPS accretive initially, but should become meaningfully accretive in the next 2 years. While the separate listing, like you were just mentioning, the CV and the PV business, they are on track, and in the next couple of months we will see both of these units to get separately listed on the bourses. But lastly, Nuvama has come out with their rating on the stock. Given the muted growth outlook for their JLR division specifically, they have maintained their retain and a reduced rating on the stock price, with a target price of just 680 rupees. So all eyes on Tata Motors. Back to you.
Okay, so Tata Motors in focus on the back of that. Thanks so much, Srishti, for that. Also, some indication on how domestic sales are doing. And Tata Motors suggested that at least their numbers look much better than how the industry is performing.
Maruti and Tata Motors are one of the biggest beneficiaries of the